Camaro won't crank or start refers to when the engine's crankshaft will not rotate at all or even attempt to turn over and start up the vehicle. This video details the causes to why the 2010 through 2015 Camaro will not crank or start. Be sure to check for one or more possible malfunctions. Camaro. Number 1. Battery connections at the terminal are corroded or loose. Number 2. Battery is faulty or discharged. Number 3. Automatic transmission is not fully engaged in park. Number 4. Loose, broken, or disconnected wiring in the starting circuit. Number 5. The vehicle's ignition switch is defective. Number 6. Starter motor is defective. Number 7. Starter solenoid is defective. Number 8. Flywheel, driveplate, or starter pinion teeth broken or worn. Number 9. Starter motor pinion stuck in flywheel, driveplate ring gear. Camaro. Anyway, these are the main causes to why a Camaro will not crank and fire up. I hope you found this information helpful.